Hey guys, so this is day 2 of our Thanksgiving story. Remember, we talked about how we just celebrated Thanksgiving and we were wanting to know why. We talked about how there was a group of people who lived in a place called England, and their leaders there did not want them to worship God the way the Bible said to. So the people decided to leave England and go to America. These people were called pilgrims. The pilgrims gathered all of their things and got on a ship called the Mayflower. The Pilgrims endured storms and high seas, and at times they were afraid, but they prayed and asked the Lord to keep them safe. After a long journey, they finally arrived. Some of the men took one of the smaller ships and sailed to the mainland to find a good place to build their homes. After a short journey, the men found a good spot and named the place Plymouth. Everyone thanked God for bringing them to a new home. The Pilgrims had to work very hard to make this place a nice place to live. There were no stores for food, so they had to hunt and fish for their food. They also had to work very hard to build new homes for themselves. First, they built a common house, a large building for them all to meet together. Sadly, some of the pilgrims became very sick during the winter, and the common house became a hospital for the sick people.